This video is sponsored by MagBak. So one of my all-time favorite cases is back with a new case for the 17 Pro Max. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with the new MagBak Elite for the 17 Pro Max. Big shout out to MagBak for sponsoring this video guys. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. While MagBak have sponsored this video, this is one of my normal case reviews. MagBak have had no say in anything that I have put into this video. They have just supported the channel like they have with a lot of other videos on the channel. So once again guys, big shout out for supporting the channel and thanks once again for sponsoring this video. So here we are with the new MagBak Elite, and we have some changes this year. So what we have here is we have our black MagBak Elite, which is quite normal, and we have also our screen protector included in the box, which I'm not going to apply in this video because I'm going to save the screen protectors for my best screen protectors video, so stay tuned for that coming. That's going to come soon. But we have a new colorway. So we have our black MagBak Elite case, but we also have new color, which is kind of like a creamy type of color, but the exact same thing. We've got our mag sticks in here, we've got our screen protector, our cleaning kit, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, but there's another big change I've noticed here. On the new MagBak Elite, we have metal buttons. Look at that. So we've got machined metal buttons, which is a very, very welcome upgrade. So big shout out MagBak for that. That is pretty awesome. So if we just bring in our scale, just set the phone to the side. So it is weighing in at 53 grams, and we'll just pop the beige one on, weighing in at 52 grams. And if we just take our phone, we'll just pop it in there. 283 grams is what you'll be carrying around inside your pocket. So there is our orange 17 Pro Max. So I'll just pop that into the black case. So we'll just do a quick look at both of these. So this is the new beige colorway, and we have this sort of like bronzy colored machined metal buttons, which are really, really nice. And then we have our silicone grips here on the side, which are also interchangeable. We have camera control as standard, which is really good to see. And then we have our lovely microfiber lining on the inside. And if we just take a look, the buttons are coated as well, so the buttons won't scuff up your phone buttons as well, which is really good. So last thing you want is the finish to be scuffing off your phone. Hashtag scrapegate. Then of course we do have all the usual refinements of the MagBak Elite. We've got our kickstand here, we've got our pinky pillow, we've got our finger lip here, which is really, really good. And the same goes for the black then. So we've got our machined metal buttons, camera control, our grips, all that good stuff. And the buttons are clicky, tactile, responsive, really, really good. And if we just check out that camera control button, yeah, that button is really, really good. No issues there whatsoever. Yeah, it's going through all the hap. That's actually that's a fantastic button actually. That's really good. No lag there at all. And then of course then we have all the usual refinements. Then we have our additional magnets here on the case. We have our finger loop, which is really, really good and strong as always. As long as your phone's in there, that's not coming out. It's perfect. And then we have our kickstand, which is really good if you like to make video calls, use it as a tripod. The pinky pillow is very comfortable to hold, but it also helps protect that port as well, which on the orange Pro Max, yeah, you might want to protect that color. So yeah, all in all, it's really decent. So let's talk fitment then. So if we just try the sides, it is a relatively rigid case. There's a little bit of flexing around where the buttons are, but overall it is really, really solid. And then if we just try popping it off at the corners, the fit is really tight. And if we just listen for the click, perfect, really good. So it's a good solid fit. And same goes to the bottom. Yeah, that's what you want to see. And then if we check out the screen lip then, so the screen lip is pretty decent on this case. You get a good protective lip up over that display. Now there's no screen protector on this phone yet, so it gives you an idea of what sort of lip you have without a screen protector. There's still plenty of room for a screen protector. So if you set that down flat, you're going to get that lift up flat protection. That's what you want to see. And then if you look at the camera bump, then the lenses don't protrude out of that plateau. And yeah, if you set it down flat, you're going to get really good lift up flat protection. No rocking on that case either, which is good to see. So how does it feel? So this case is smooth. Because this is black as well, black surfaces and smooth finishes is going to get fingerprinty. But like I say, make friends with a microfiber cloth. you're not going to have any issues there. With the beige, it's going to be a bit easier to live with in terms of fingerprints because it's a lighter color. You're not going to see them as much. It does show up a bit more on the black, but that's the nature of the beast with black, unfortunately. Nothing really you can do about that. But overall, the finish is smooth, but the side grips is where this comes into its own. This is what makes the case really grippy and easy to hold, which is really good. And then you've got that added finger loop for one-handed use. It makes this phone really, really easy to hold, really easy to use. I'm a big fan of it. It is a MagSafe case, so we can do a MagSafe test. MagSafe is always really good on these cases. I don't expect this to be any less, so let's just check it out. So yeah, taking the full weight of the phone there. It's over 285 grams. No problem at all. This stand weighs over 200 grams. That's not shaking loose at all, which is really, really good. That's what you want to see. And of course, then we do have those additional magnets, which means you can literally stick this onto any surface that you want. So if you have a desk like mine, you can stick it on there, no problem. It'll stick to the legs, it'll stick to any magnetic surface. So if you want to stick this to your fridge, if you're cooking, if you're listening to a podcast, if you're at the gym, you can stick it onto anything that'll allow you to stick it to. No problem at all. That's one of the favorite features I have of this case. It's really, really good. And of course then, we're not going to leave the beige out because I do have Kylie's blue Pro Max here. So we can pop this phone into this beige case, which goes really well with the blue actually. It really does. Everything's the same across the board. The consistency is really good here. Those machined metal buttons are really nice. And yeah, so that's what it'll give you an idea what this will look like in a couple of different colored phones. But MagBak also have another ace up their sleeve. We do have these custom color kits. So if we look here, we have purple. I think that's a light gray. We have green. We have blue. And we have red, and then we have matching button kits as well. So again, we've got the red buttons, and these buttons are also the machined metal buttons. So we've got the red finger loop, the red grips, and the red metal buttons. Purple, blue, green. So yeah, that's really cool. So you can customize these cases up, color these up whatever way you like. So I will be honest, I'm going to customize mine up. So these kits are really awesome for just adding your own flavor to this case. It's really, really cool. What's my final thoughts then on the MagBak Elite? It is that borderline between slim and rugged, to which it's not an overly big bulky case, but it is still really protective. You've got great magnetic options. You can stick it to any magnetic surface. You can customize the colors of the finger loop, the pinky pillow, the side grips, the camera array. You can customize all those colors, make it your own. It's pretty sweet. It is a case that I keep going back to, and it is a case which has improved as the years have went on, and this year is no exception. Big shout out for the metal buttons on there. That is a long overdue upgrade. Really, really like that. So yeah, I would highly recommend that. And if you are looking to pick this case up, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below. And if you use the discount code as shown, you'll get money off your order at checkout. So go pick up a discount and get some money off a really great case. And that about wraps up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more down to earth tech review and accessories coming for the iPhone 17 series, so stay tuned. And if you want to see some more iPhone 17 related content, you can check it out right here.